Hello guys, today I'm going to share Maima cloth reviews. In this video, you will get to know about the legitimacy of the website. And friends, first let me tell you that this is not my website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you out. So this is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are tops, bottoms, dresses, outwear and so forth. And friends, the products are offered on very heavy discounted rates. And talking about the information related to payments, so guys, you can pay through PayPal, Visa and MasterCard. And the estimated shipping time is 20 to 30 days. So it almost takes a month to deliver the order. And friends, shipping is free over $79. So you have to shop for more than $79 if you want to avoid shipping charges. And talking about its return policy, so friends, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days and refund will be initiated within 7 business days in the original mode of payment. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, Maima cloth is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe. And it was registered on 13th October 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is not much popular among people. And guys, talking about its contact information, so here on the official page we can see that company's address, its contact number is not accessible and only an email ID is available in About Us section, which is service@maimacloth.com. Addition to this, friends, the links of social media platforms lend us on some different page, which is a negative sign. And talking about the Maima cloth reviews, guys, so we could not find even a single customer review over the internet. And addition to this, friends, we can see that the images of the products are copied as they matches with many other websites. And apart from this, the content over the website seems to be copied because it matches with many other web pages. So friends, all these points let us to believe that Maima cloth is a highly suspicious website. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your Maima cloth reviews with us in the comment section below. And do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Bye bye guys.